Tracksuit is a dashboard-first, insights-led platform which makes it easy, affordable and actionable for brand marketers to measure their brand performance. Our vision is to have brand data in every boardroom. Because Tracksuit is such a fast-scaling company, we are on a rocket ship. We need to be able to partner and work with technology that's scaling at the same level as us. What excites us most about the intersection of AI, data and brand intelligence is how Snowflake partners with us to be able to experiment, move fast, and they're just as ambitious and innovative as we are. Being able to ingest non-relational data and really quickly query that information and get real-time insights has been pivotal for our data platform. Customers no longer are waiting for quarterly PDFs to measure their brand performance. They can use our always-on brand dashboard to monitor and course correct any live strategies. Because we have such a strong data platform, it's really important for us to empower our business users to understand what kind of information we have in there, as it's growing faster than anyone can keep up with. So leveraging AI is a great place to start for being able to scale that internal knowledge. This allows secure collaboration and with the entire company and business on one unified data platform. The most surprising outcome from our data initiatives is how quickly Snowflake innovates with us. As soon as we see a market gap or a feature that we need, they're with us, they've already got a solution and provide support for us to get there. That coupled with the rich ecosystem of Snowflake connectors, every time we have a third-party integration, it's an easy plug and play for us to connect everything back into our unified source of truth, which is our data platform. Snowflake is a provider that is innovating at the same pace as us, with a very low barrier to entry, and with the confidence that they are scaling at the same level as our business is scaling.